I had this problem with these lines during my Donut Blender tutorial, and I asked some people, some good people at Reddit, and they gave me some good idea. So just in case if you have similar bands, lines on your cup, here's what I did. I'll just quickly go and undo all the things that I did just to see where I was. So basically the idea, they told me it's something to do with the interaction of the outside of the liquid and inside of the cup. So they probably don't interact. And that's when I noticed that for some reason you can see, well, I'm pretty sure what's the reason. Reason is how is it called? One of those modifiers. Subdivision modifier. Oh man, I have 4. Anyway, so it's the reason you can see the actual surface when it's rendering. It's subdivided, and so this sharp corner is being much smoother. So the surface is not going through those sharp faces, but it goes farther from it. And that's what gave me an idea that probably they were right. If you look at the cup, unfortunately there's no, I don't know how to see like a plain slice. I'll have to find it. Really useful thing in Fusion 360. But basically, yeah, it gave me an idea that probably this surface is not touching the inside of the cup. And what I did is I just grabbed both of those, with Alt, and then scale, Shift Z, and I made it a little bit bigger. Well, I made it a lot bigger, but if I now look at the cup, at least I can see where the cup is. So let's just go and make it smaller. Okay, the other one is fine. This one, let's do it separately. Scale, Shift Z, going back. And as long as I don't see the surface of the liquid, I'm all fine. And now if I render, there are no lines. So thank you very much, nice people at Reddit who pointed this out. And I hope if you have the lines and you found this video, you're welcome.